How to delete account in Phantom Wallet. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Phantom application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Further, tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen from the home page of Phantom Wallet and further tap on the settings button or the gear-like icon you see there. Further, tap on your account name, and now in the interface that you will be led to, you will see the remove account option at the bottom. Tap on that, and in the confirmation screen that appears, tap on the remove button again, and with this your account will be deleted. So this is how you can delete account in Phantom Wallet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.